Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So guys, looks like markets are slowly coming to life, to life again. So we do either, and see now on the euro currency some action to the downside. Well, our major concern in the short-term perspective whether will market form something of that will look like the head on the daily time frame chart that we could treat as the head and shoulders probably, or something of that sort. Will it complete some another pattern that we have discussed yesterday, particularly speaking, that could become the 3-drive sell and a smaller butterfly on the 4-hour time frame chart. But currently market stands very close to a moment where it will erase this possibility, because on the daily time frame chart this open right to the downside now very reminds me the very looks like the bearish dynamic pressure, because take a look, that trend has showed bullish here, but price action just is creeping to the downside with this red line that the MACD predictor will increase this chart. It's better to see it. So you can see trend holds bullish, but price action stands the bearish side. That's some sort of the bearish dynamic pressure, and usually when market shows such sort of the action, it usually leads to the downward continuation, either in the short-term perspective or to something bigger. But currently we unfortunately unable to assess the definitely how far this development could be. Our short-term destination point is daily confidence support around 136.60, 136.50 area, and challenging of these lows. That's the nearest target. What will follow next? Well, we will see. Currently it's very difficult to say definitely what will happen. Well, so currently market confirms the thought that the recent plunge down is a bit more significant than in fact the breakout to the upside, because particularly by this returning right back down below these highs, market has confirmed its inability to hold above these highs and confirmed the failure of the breakout. Usually such sort of the action leads to some downward continuation, deeper bounce, deeper pullback from the challenged highs. Well, and in general, as we said, this spike up could be treated, as I said, maybe on some other time frame chart as the bearish engulfing pattern. That usually development by the bearish engulfing usually takes the shape of some sort of the ABCD, when the market completes the pattern, then shows some retracement right back inside of the body of this pattern, and then shows the extension. Now probably, if our suggestion is correct, now probably we should stand in the extension leg to the downside, and the target will be, as I said, approximately in this area. So if you take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, that is particularly the pattern that we have discussed yesterday. That could be then another butterfly. That is, by the way, guys, invalidation point. As you can see, market now is tending to this area, standing below the weekly pivot point, and gradually starting to move to the downside. If market will take out of these lows, it simultaneously will erase the possibility for the butterfly. It will erase this opportunity, and probably this will erase the possibility for forming of the 3-drive sell pattern, because you can see that in terms of the extensions of the butterfly, this combination looks perfect for the 3-drive. Also we have the divergence on the daily time frame and other corresponding issues right at the resistance and so on. But currently this action will resolve the riddle. So whether market will hold above these lows and will keep the chances for the possible butterfly, or if it will, if this target will be erased, this point, this level will be erased by the market, then we probably should see for some deeper move to the downside. Trend has shifted bearish here. You can see market stands below the weekly pivot point, so that's in general adds some weight for bearish development. Also take a look, guys, that's previous consolidation that market has broken up, return right back down, stuck inside of it, and now turns to the downside. So market wasn't able to pass through this upper border for the next time. So let's see what will happen. On the hourly time frame chart, that is our ABCD pattern that we have discussed yesterday. Also, guys, take a look at market has formed here the multiple stop grabbers, and we said that probably if market will hold it and start turn to the downside, then probably it's more probable will be the testing of these lows and reaching at minimum this minor target 618 extension. But if market will show this acceleration, it's also possible the reaching our short-term targets 136.55 area right at the daily confidence support, and take a look that slightly lower stands the weekly pivot support one. So as market has re-established move down, the minor target will be the 618. It's right here 137.18, and take a look that minor extension stands below these lows. It means that if market really now standing with this downward action, that loss will not hold, because market will hit the minor target with a very high probability. And usually with such situation appearing on the market, it means that the probability stands in the favor of taking out of this loss. As you can see, market now starting some acceleration to the downside. So let's see. That will be our first confirmation that market stands on road to the downside. And if this will happen, if market will take out of these lows, on some retracement you could trying to make the scalp trade with the target right at the 136.55 area in the daily confidence support, because this inside intraday chart ABCD pattern stands in agreement with this target, with this confidence support area. So that's our short-term view. On the longer term perspective, we said that major situation will be depend on direction of the market, and for that purpose market should leave this area around the previous highs, because until market is calling around it, it keeps door open for possible as upward continuation is downward reversal. For us, in the longer term perspective, we need to see the taking out 133 lows to say that probably this is a reversal. Market hardly will continue move to the upside. Until that will not happen, the chances of upward continuation will still hold here. But in the short term perspective, as I said, now it's more look like that market probably will take out of these lows and will proceed lower to the confidence support on the daily time frame.